The Ames Manufacturing and Engineering Test Division provides hardware development, fabrication, assembly, and test services for all Ames manufacturing needs. The division consists of 5 areas: Composites and Metal Fabrication Shop, specializing in powder coat painting, CNC metal forming, plasma, laser, and water jet cutting; licensed weld inspectors, qualified welders, wood shop, and many additional capabilities. The machine shop has a variety of multi-axis CNC EDM machining equipment and an extensively equipped certified dimensional inspection laboratory. Space Shop has numerous additive manufacturing 3D printers, laser cutter, wood shop, electronic benches, milling machines, and much more available for hands-on use by all Ames staff. The Engineering Evaluation Laboratory offers vibration, shock testing, strain measurement, modal analysis, calibration, mass property measurement, and advanced data acquisition services. The Flight Processing Center offers an integration and test facility consisting of 100K cleanroom flight system high bay, 10K cleanroom facilities, science and hardware development labs, bonded stores, and project office space. For additional information, please visit our website.